Some people when they're a kid, they got a Hot Wheels and it literally matched like their parents' car. However, people like me, I have a Proton Saga, which was my parents' car. It's my childhood car pretty much. Hot Wheels doesn't make one for this car until late 2022. Well, that's when they make an announcement, but they release it in sometime around mid 2023. And guess what? I finally got one. Let's unbox it. Well, it's already open because I just couldn't lose my patience, and I just did a sneak peek. That's what I did. I didn't look at that much though. So I bought it from Vietnam, which is kind of random, I guess, because I couldn't find anywhere in Malaysia. The one I can find on Malaysia pretty much are scalper pricing. Those prices are ridiculous. Anyway, so some paper, which I have no idea what's that, but I just ignore those. I wouldn't want to show, even though I have no idea what that says, but I'm guessing probably someone's homework. I hope this homework is not important though. And here it is, a Proton Saga. Well, it's in the bubble wrap, and well, I kind of opened this one already just to make it faster. Oh, I got one. My car is in silver, but they only made in red. Hot Wheels, please make one in silver, or make all the color option that's available in Proton Saga lineup. The only thing that's kind of annoys me is that the wheels doesn't match like the actual car. I don't know, is this like a Hot Wheels thing? Cause I'm not familiar with 80s car, cause this is one of my first 80s car that I bought, 1985. That's when the car launched. This car was based on the Proton Saga Orion, which is one of the earliest model from 1985 to 1987. However, my car is the Mega Evolve, which only available later, which is in 1990 to 1992. My Saga is the 1992 model, which is one of the last model before the Swara introduced. I mean, this Orion is quite similar to the Mega Evolve, but the Orion only has 8 valve engine. However, the Mega Evolve have 12 valve. And guess what? I bought that like what, a few weeks ago, and today I got another one because I can. Oh no, another homework? Oh, never mind then. It's a real estate management service. There it says right here. I hope this is not important though. I bought another 2 more. The first one and the second one. Oh no, the boxes are banned. Oh no. Well, I gotta preserve this one though. This is my first one. The back says something in Chinese which I couldn't read. The only thing I could read is the number 3. I'm guessing it probably says that people under 3 couldn't use this thing, but these still something in Vietnamese. Also, I forget that I have this, the Cybertruck Hot Wheels, which I got it before the actual Cybertruck even launched. I think I got it around early 2021. So, I mean, box wise, it's quite similar, except, you know, the plastic height. Obviously, this one's larger, but I just realized both of these have the same thing. I'm guessing it's still say 3-year-old. Let's check out the other one. Where is it? There we go, right here. From age 0 to 3. No. So yeah, 0 to 3 is a no for Hot Wheels. So let's take a closer look at this car. Right here I have a Proton Saga Hot Wheels, and as you can see, this one is in excellent condition. It doesn't have any bend or any dent whatsoever. There's like a weird thing which I don't know if you guys can see that or not, which you can kind of see it right here when I'm in this angle. So here's the front, and as you can see, there's a picture of the car. I noticed that the car in this picture having the magma grille, there's like another line which is kind of weird. The Orion grille doesn't look like that, and this whole part right here, it should be in black. For some reason it was in red. There's like a lining right here, the black lining. On the Orion it doesn't have lining, which is a good thing because on the actual car it doesn't have it. So yeah, that's what I can say about the picture of the car. So here's the car itself, and there's like something here which I don't know what's that, but whatever. So Mattel logo, Proton Saga, 3 and above. So you can see there's a tiny car with the crown. This car is under Compact Kings category for 2024. It is 3 out of 5. I think I have 2 out of 5. I'm gonna just grab it real quick. It is. So this is the Fiat 500e. Here it says 2 out of 5. So yeah, these two are Compact Kings category. Well, this one is more common here for some reason though. I don't know why this one is not common in Malaysia, which is kind of sad. And here's a bag. So there's like a plastic film thing, which you guys can see right here under reflection. And over here it says HRY46-N7C5. That picture again, 3 out of 5. Proton Saga Compact Kings. So there's a new Proton logo which they introduced in 2020. I know you probably can't see this, so let's just get another Hot Wheels. Not much going on basically, but if I get another one from my collection, this is the 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo. I think this one's from like 2019-ish. I bought this one back in 2020. There's nothing much, pretty much the barcode, which is not really important though. And let's look at this one. So this is the DeLorean Alphas. This particular car is from the 2024 lineup. So yeah, you can see right here there's not much difference. Oh yeah, by the way, for the first one that I got, the one with the Chinese bag, I was about to open it, but then the seller that I bought it from on Shopee, he got these two available again, so it's like, why not? So these are the one that I just unboxed, the one that I bought too, and this is the first one I got. One of the things that I noticed is that, look at this right here. It wouldn't want to focus. There we go. I hope it does. So it has like a shape right here, but these two doesn't have it, even on the left side. So I don't know what's up with this one. This one seems to be in okay condition, but this one's the best of these three, and this one seems to be the worst. And there's like a, I don't know how to say this thing right here. Both of these two are bad. I mean it's easy to fix though, but probably not this one. The box is quite beaten up. The top is fine, but however, if you look at the corners, it's not in the greatest condition, but you can see it's even worse right here. It's about to rip. Here's the back, and there's a sticker right here, which I have no idea what that says. So yeah, let's open this thing. There we go. Here's the car. And here's the current condition of the box right now. Here's the car once again. I do notice there's a chip right there, probably from the factory. You can sort of see the interior. Here's a dashboard, and there's a third brake light, which only exists on the Mega Vault. Since this car is based on the Orion, I don't think the Orion has it. And here's the bottom, Proton Saga, made in Malaysia, HRY46, 2023, Mattel 1186 MJ1NL. So here's the wheels, it spins. Oops. It spins. And as you can see on the door, there's the Saga logo and there's a Hot Wheels logo. Same thing on the left side. And there's a gas lid, I think that's what it's called. Sadly, the bag doesn't have details that much for the indicators and reverse light. There's a Proton logo right in the middle, and on the actual car, it does glow if you turn on the light, but this one doesn't. But yeah. Here's the Proton Saga. You're probably wondering why didn't I rip open this one, since this one has like a, I forgot this thing called again, but that's because all of these part right here is in excellent condition. I mean it's just this top part, which is an easy fix. I pretty much took some iPhone boxes and I stacked them up and I put a foam underneath from a screen protector thing. It looks way better now, but you still can see it, which not a big deal. And guess what? I got a box protector for these two. So this one's the perfect one. And there we go. So it's been 21 days since I unboxed that car. Here's how the car looks like as of today, February 23rd. The car kind of looks okay, except the wheels, the chrome parts of the wheel are gone. So this is the only one that's kind of intact. This one's like kinda, but these two are gone pretty much. Overall, the paint condition for this car is in excellent, except I do notice that one thing, that this part right here, the Hot Wheels logo seems to be gone, and this part has not gone yet. The logo seems to be fine, and the windows are fine. You're probably wondering, how does that car look like after a couple of months? Well, it does not look good. Good thing the paint hold up, but the wheels though, if you look at the wheels, the chrome part on the right side are gone. And same thing for the left. The Hot Wheels logo seems to be a bit gone too. A bit on the Saga on the left side. Same thing for both. Also the paint, like some of the parts doesn't hold up that well. I dropped just a tiny bit and then it started to chip. You can see there's a paint chip right here on the top, and then there's one on the indicator. You can kind of see right here there's the paint is coming off. Same thing for this side. And the worst part to be right here. It's not really that good though. I wonder, did they use some kind of cheap paint or something? Because this does not look good. Worst part has to be the chrome wheels. Here's a comparison between a brand new untouched with the one that's been touched for like months. So I did not even play with this thing that much than I thought I would, but I guess it didn't age that well when it comes to the quality of the paint. But the best part is the build quality hold up though. One of the things I hope is that if they ever launch another Hot Wheels Proton cars, please use good paint, don't cheap on paint. So yeah, that's what I would say about this car. And oh wait, I gotta do something real quick. I don't know why am I doing this part right here. I forgot what's this place called, but I'll just put it right here. And that's the car. There's tons of monkeys here. I haven't been here in a while. I feel like probably at least like 5 years, I think. Look at the view. Looks nice. Don't even know what to do here just for that one intro. I haven't done a vlog for like, I don't know, like how long. But I guess I'm doing it anyway, cause I can. And it's kind of awkward to hold a big tripod though, which you can see right here. This tripod is really big. I mean, it does its job by itself. I need it anyway for later on. Alright, got this Hot Wheels next to my car now. I think I filmed this back in like January, and then now it's August 31st. Probably September by the time when this video is out. So I guess thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other videos. Check out my other videos, I guess, like right there. And yeah, bye. You want to join the video? Hi. Hi. Alright, see ya. That's the outro.